Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing, online business. So today I'm gonna show you a really simple method with which you can earn a passive income for a long period of time. So this is going to be really interesting. So watch this video till the end, and those who are not interested in earning any money online but are still interested in watching this video till the end, I just want to tell that you should skip this video if you are not going to take action on this method. Yeah, that's real, that's true. This method is working, and that's the reason why I am creating this video. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is very important and you are very eager to make some real cash online. So now let's jump into the content. So the first website in which you have to go is known as Uber Suggest. Okay, Uber Suggest is a keyword research platform which is available absolutely for free. Yeah, it's available for free, and you can find do your keyword research with this website. Okay, so this website is created by Neil Patel. Many of you may know about him. He is a big digital marketer, and you must just it's a really handy tool. Okay. Now I have searched a keyword which is law of attraction. Why I have searched this keyword? Because we are going to promote a product which is related to this law of attraction niche. Okay. Now we have found some of the keywords related to it which has a really low competition. So here you can see this is the SEO difficulty of this keyword. Okay, so it just has 8. Okay, and here also it just has difficulty which is 8. So if a keyword has difficulty which is less than 20, then you can definitely write an article on that keyword and you will really get ranked on Google. Okay, so this is something which is really awesome about this thing. So just understand this stuff and just start creating an article on this keyword. In the end of the video, I'm gonna show you where you are going to post that article, and that article is going to rank really fast on that website. Yeah, so just stay tuned, and if you are planning to just skip the video and watch the end of the video, then it won't be beneficial, because I am going to cover some key details and you will be missing those. If you miss those details, you won't be able to make any money. So here are the two keywords, which is the law of attraction quotes as well as the law of attraction quotes. Yeah, it's both are the same keywords and both have the same they have a very good search volume of 8100, and you can see the keyword difficulty is really very low. So you can just write an article on based on this keywords. Now let's search for some more keywords. Okay, you can just go for related keywords. Let's see what are the related keywords. So here you can see there are so many of them. See, this one is 1900 in volume, it is just 6. Okay, then this one is also a good one. What is the law of attraction? Okay, it has a really good search volume of 4400 and very low SEO difficulty. See this one, law of attraction quotes, which we have already seen. This also has a very low SEO difficulty. Okay, now let's search for some questions. All you need to do is just copy these keywords which have really this low SEO difficulty and just save it to notepad. Okay, so here also you can see that law of attraction movie. Okay, it also has a good amount of search volume, so this is also a keyword which we are going to include. Now let's go for the prepositions. So you can see it is the secret, the law of attraction. Okay, this is also very good. It has a slightly higher SEO difficulty, but it's fine, it's just 28. So you can also use this one. Now let's go for comparisons, and okay, there is nothing there. If it is 0, then don't use that keyword because it doesn't have any search volume. So we have got some of the keywords. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to promote a product related to law of attraction from Amazon. Okay, so now let's go to Amazon, and I have already found this book. Okay, I am already logged into my Amazon affiliate account, and I have found this book, okay, Practical Law of Attraction, which is really one of the very good selling books on Amazon. So we are going to promote this book. Now, how we are going to promote this book is really easy. All you need to do is just go and sign up for Amazon for an affiliate account. Once you sign up for an affiliate account, there would be, you can search any of the products and you can then promote those products. Now, to get the affiliate link of this product, all I need to do is click here to get link. Okay, and now I can copy this link, which is Control C. I have already copied the link. Now what we are going to do is, we have got the keywords from Uber Suggest. We have also got the link from Amazon. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to write an article based on the keywords of law of attraction. Okay, and then we are going to post that article on this Hub Pages website. Okay, now if you don't have any idea on how to write an article, just go and search for this low competition keywords on Google and just find out the articles. All you need to do is rewrite those articles in your own words. Okay, and you have to provide this link of your Amazon Associates account, okay, in those articles, and you can just keep publishing those articles on hubpages.com. But still, if you don't have time, if you don't know how to write an article, you can just go to a website which is known as fiverr.com. Okay, and you can hire someone to write an article for you just for $5 to $10. Okay, so that's also something which you can do. Now, to make this method work, you need to find a good product every day on Amazon, and you need to write an article about it, or make someone write an article about it, and upload that article every single day to hubpages.com. Now now hubpages is also going to share with you the AdSense revenue of the amount of traffic which your article gets. So this guy Eddie Cara earns almost $950 in passive income every single month. This woman also earns up to $600 every single month. Okay, passively without doing anything, just from AdSense revenue. As well as these people may also be making money with affiliate marketing. So you are going to earn money in two ways. First is that you are going to earn money with AdSense revenue, which is shared by Hub Pages, as well as you are going to earn money with affiliate marketing if you start publishing articles on hubpages.com. As well as Hub Pages is a really big website, so you don't require much of the backlinks, because all the backlinks are provided by Hub Pages, and Hub Pages itself is going to promote your article. So that's a really awesome thing which can happen. And you can see there are so many articles listed over here, and really you can make some great amount of money just by doing this really simple, awesome strategy. Anyone can just do it. Even a 14-year-old can do this strategy and start making some great amount of money. If I say practically, you can make up to $2,000 to $2,000 in passive income just by creating articles and uploading it to this hubpages.com. So that is really good. Passive income is always very good, because you don't have to do any of the work, or you just have to write an article which will take almost 10 to 15 minutes every single day, or you can hire someone to write an article for you, and then you can just start earning affiliate commissions as well as the AdSense revenue, which is shared with you by this website, which is known as hubpage.com. So I definitely recommend this method of affiliate marketing. Those who are even absolute beginners can just do this method and start making money. Okay, so just if you want to make money, you have to put in the work, because it is really very important. If you are not going to take any action, if you are not ready to put any work, then you are not going to make any money. This is really important. Many of the people may be in a cycle that they are watching one method, one video, they are learning one method, and then they will go to another video, learn another method, then they will go to another video and learn another method, but they are not taking action. And due to this factor that they are not taking any action, they are not earning any money. So don't get trapped in that cycle. Just watch a video, start taking action on it, okay, and you will really make some money. But the most important thing is taking action. 99% of the people don't take action, but you can become that 1% who will be taking an action, and once you take action you get eligible to make some money online. So if you like my video, just press the like button, as well as you can also subscribe to this channel so that you will get notified every time I upload this type of awesome content. I also recommend that you should check out other videos of my channel. They will also provide you a ton of value about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and online business entrepreneurship. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.